Hello, this is Suzanne Cook with Wickham Insurance and Financial Services, bringing you another short video today on rental car coverage. I do get asked if someone's rental car coverage on their insurance policy will extend to a car that they are renting for a trip. Now, if you have rental car coverage on your automobile policy and your vehicle is in an accident and you are deemed liable, the insurance company would allow you to use the rental car coverage to rent a vehicle under the limits of that policy for a car while your vehicle is being repaired. Now, if you need a rental car to take a trip, people ask if their policy covers it. Your policy will not pay for the rental car, but your limits of liability for that state should extend to the rental car. You can also see if your credit card company has rental car coverage on your credit card. That's another option that you can use. Now, the other option is you can buy the insurance through the rental car company. Now, when you rent a car through the rental car agency and purchase their insurance, it is only going to give you liability limits for the state minimum for the state that you live in. And if you want the additional coverages, it will be at an additional cost. If your primary insurance does not have comp and collision on it, then you should buy the rental car company's insurance policy, because they do have what's called a loss damage waiver, and this is going to cover the vehicle if you were to be involved in an accident and it was your fault, and it's going to cover scratches for the vehicle, towing, admin fees, loss of use of that vehicle for the rental car agency while that vehicle's being repaired. If you decide not to purchase the rental car coverage, you should check with your agent on what coverages you do have on your policy and what would it be extended to a rental car when you're renting it. If you decide not to purchase the rental car coverage through the rental car company, your comp and collision would extend, but also keep in mind if you have an accident in that vehicle, that claim is going to be filed under your personal auto policy and it could follow you and cause your rates to go up. Whereas if you purchase the rental car company's insurance policy, their policy is going to cover that vehicle's damages, the liability, and it's going to be completely separate from your personal auto policy. They also can provide you personal injury protection, which is going to be medical payments for other passengers in the vehicle. They also could provide you with personal effects coverage. So if you have personal property inside that rental car that gets stolen or damaged in the event of an accident, they could provide you coverage for that. Also, there sometimes is limitations on what type of vehicle that you can rent on your personal auto policy. So in summary, before you rent a vehicle, you should check with your agent, see what coverages that you have on your policy and if there's any limitations. And then you should also speak to the rental car company about their insurance policy, and I would recommend it's always safe to buy it. That way all of your bases would be covered. So I hope that is a good information for you today. If you have any questions about it, feel free to give us a call. Have a great day.